Hey y'all, the other night I made the most delicious, the juiciest chicken kebabs for dinner, loaded with vegetables. This thing was a masterpiece. Let me show you how I did it. To get started, I cleaned my meat with some vinegar, some salt, and some lime and lemon juice. Then I seasoned my meat with my blended herb seasoning along with some powdered seasoning. Whatever you like to season your chicken with is what you should go ahead and use. And I also added some parsley, some thyme, and also scotch bonnet. And I let that chicken marinate overnight before I cut some bell peppers, some colorful bell peppers, some onions, and then I loaded up my chicken on a stick. Now, I don't know the actual difference between a chicken kebab or a chicken skewer is. I don't know if different names for the same thing. But after doing that, I went down and I washed my cutting board because I had chicken juice on it. And now I'm going to sear my chicken. You can do this or you can bake it, but I find that I get really juicy chicken by searing it first and locking in the juices. Then I bake it in the oven and voila, my chicken was so juicy, so tender, and the vegetables were nice and caramelized and everything came out perfect. If you haven't ever made this or you don't know what to make for dinner tonight, make this.